They was snoozing me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Well, hello there. Nice to meet ya. I am back with a new video. We're doing a half Pennywise, half clown situation. And we're going to jump straight into the parody palette and do this smoky eye. I decided to add glitter at the end of the video because the smoky eye looked a little too dull for me. So that's what we're getting into right now.
I run it. Everything you want to do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. You know. I said, damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah, let's go.
I'm going in with this gray shade to smoke out the smoke. I think it looked more of a Halloween look using gray instead of using brown, which would be a classic smoky eye. So this gray gave me life, honey. Like, I will wear this by itself, like, no lie. So if you don't want to do this whole clown situation, doing this eye alone, fire.
Wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. You know. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night. Yeah. Empty.
So now I'm gonna prime my face with the Too Faced Born This Way, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYX foundation. I decided to like give myself a base before I just draw on my face. That rhymes. So that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna concealer, set, and all that good stuff.
You know that you know that yeah. I said, you know that yeah. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
They was sleeping, they was snoozing me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Here, I'm just going to be setting my under eyes with the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. I didn't show it in the video. I guess I forgot. This freaking elf sponge that I just brought is fire. The one I used in the last video, I freaking hated it. So I'm like living my life right now. I kind of miss doing like regular looks on YouTube. Like, I'm just so stuck into October. Like, I feel like I'm in another dimension or something. Like this video if you miss my regular tutorials, and do you want them to come back? Now I'm going in with Pro Paint. I'm going in with red, and I'm just mapping out my Pennywise side. I'm basically going to go in with paint first, and then I'm going to smoke it out with some eyeshadow, of course, so it can look super smoky. And yeah, we're doing a half Pennywise and a half classic clown. If you've seen a classic clown before, it's like self-explanatory. So yeah.
Don't know what to do with me.
am blending out the Pennywise side, I suggest when you blend this out, don't go too overboard because you can go outside the line. That's what I did, and I had to clean it out with foundation. That's why I wanted to do a base first, then take it from there.
Why they sleeping, why they snooze, don't be. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny. I want percentage, yeah. Put you in your mind like fucking Dennis, yeah. You never had a chance like an abortion. You don't want to play with me this.
Okay, this side I'm just doing the classic clown. If y'all have not seen my Gangsta Clown video like 4 years ago, I will link it up in the cards in the description box. But you can even go on Google and just Google classic clown or Gangsta Clown, and you could get the outline of how you want it to be. So that's what I'm doing on this side. I decided to do both clowns because both clowns are popping. So like, why not do one without the other?
I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snooze, don't be. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny.
Okay, so I wanted to incorporate like skull vibes. Like when you first do a skull, you outline your head. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna just do the skull situation on one side, you know, half skull, half clown situation, half Pennywise, half classic clown. So yeah, I'm just making up my own thing, you feel me? So I'm just basically blending this out. I just want to make it as blendable and seamless as possible. This took literally maybe like 10 minutes. I'm not even gonna lie. But, you know, perfection takes time.
I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snooze, don't be. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do.
Okay, now here I didn't want to do black under the eyes, so I decided to do red. However, I gave it a certain type of shadow around it so to make it seem like it's an indent in my face. It's hard to explain. So once I, you know, colored in the triangle, I just basically kept going over it with the black so it could look like an indent. Because shading can be your best friend, trust me.
Hey, buy my shit, I want percentage, yeah. Put you in your mind like fucking Dennis, yeah. You never had a chance like an abortion. You don't wanna play with me, this forfeit. Shit, took it to a place that never thought he could. Now the lone wolf is howling up in Bollywood. Now I got some confidence, they call me cocky. Like a fucking tiger in the eye, I feel like Rocky. I am untouchable, I cannot fuck with you. I do not follow rules, makes me uncomfortable. I got all this passion and desire, force my path with the fire. Never passive, I acquire till I'm crashing your empire. They were sleeping, they were snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snooze, don't be. I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny. Don't know what to do with me.
So here I am just contouring my nose, doing some shading. I'll tell you guys now, shading and contour and highlighting can really make your Halloween look, especially if you are a beginner. Once you have those down pat, you are set. So I'm just doing some red and black so I can look a little bruised and I can look a little snatched at the same time. Here I'm just going to be shading in black. I'm doing half black on one side of my body and half red and white on the other side of my body because I wanted to make like a skull, you know, situation because we're doing a half and half. So I'm just doing that. I didn't film me doing my whole body because that takes too long. My battery likes to die quickly and we are trying to avoid that. So I basically did the other half and stuff off camera, and then I added glitter, and then I added lipstick and all that good stuff, and yeah.
Hey, buy my shit, I want percentage. Put you in your mind like fucking Guinness. You never had a chance like an abortion. Broken, you don't wanna play with me to forfeit. Shit, took it to a place that never thought he could. Now the lone wolf is howling up in Bollywood. Now I got some confidence, they call me cocky. Put your fucking tiger in the eye, I feel like Rocky. I am untouchable, I cannot fuck with you. I do not follow rules, makes me uncomfortable. I got all this passion and desire, force my path with the fire. Never passive, I acquire till I'm crashing your empire. They were sleeping, they were snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me. I keep going hard like I'm in puberty. Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. I'm coming for the top, this is a mutiny. Don't know what to do with me.
We are going in with some blush from Nick Hack, and I'm just putting it on my cheeks so I can look really flushed. Now I'm going to add some blood because I decided to add horns last minute. These are the ones I did with my Red Devil. I just painted them black, and I'm going to add some black blood, and we are basically done. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. What are you guys gonna be for Halloween? What are your kids gonna be for Halloween? I want to know because I'm nosy. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to come back, of course, watch my other Halloween videos. I will link them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Laters.
Rebellions in my blood, there ain't no ruling me. Coming for the top, this is a mutiny. They were snooze on me. I was dreaming about what food to eat. Why they sleeping, why they snoozed on me? I was seizing opportunity. Now they don't know what to do with me.